Have you ever wondered if parallel universes exist as described in Hindu mythology? This question has sparked intrigue and curiosity for centuries. Hindu mythology presents a multiverse, a concept that continues to fascinate scholars and enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology to answer this fascinating question. The concept of parallel universes finds its roots in ancient Hindu texts. From the ethereal heights of celestial realms to the shadowy depths of the underworld, the Hindu cosmology is a vast tapestry woven with myriad threads of reality, all coexisting in a grand cosmic dance. Let's travel back in time, to the age when the Puranas, the ancient Hindu texts, were written. These sacred scriptures, filled with myths and legends, also contain the earliest mentions of the concept we now call parallel universes. They speak of an intricate cosmos made up of multiple lokas or worlds, each one distinct and separate yet somehow interconnected. Imagine a multi-storied mansion with each floor representing a different loka. These lokas range from the heavenly abodes of the gods known as Svargaloka to the earthly realm of humans, Bhuloka, and even to the netherworlds or Patalaloka. It's like having multiple stages set for the grand play of existence, each one hosting its own unique drama. But it doesn't stop there. The Puranas also describe how time can flow differently in these different lokas. A day in the heavenly realms might equate to years on Earth. This concept, intriguingly similar to the modern scientific theory of time dilation, adds another layer of complexity to this ancient understanding of the universe. So how did the ancient seers come up with such a concept? While we can't say for sure, it's fascinating to speculate. Perhaps it was through deep meditation and introspection, or maybe it was the result of a keen observation of the natural world. Some even suggest that it could have been the result of divine revelation. Whatever the source, this ancient concept of parallel universes or multiple lokas is a testament to the depth and richness of Hindu cosmology. It paints a picture of a universe that is dynamic, multi-layered, and infinitely complex. Thus, the seed of the idea was sown thousands of years ago in these mystical texts. This notion, once confined to the realm of mythology, has now found echoes in our modern understanding of the universe. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the foresight of these ancient sages who conceptualized a universe far beyond the limited scope of their contemporary understanding. The great Indian epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, weave in the parallel universe concept in their narratives. Let's dive into the epic of Mahabharata first, where the concept of parallel universes is subtly yet profoundly embedded. The epic speaks of Svarga, a heavenly abode where heroes and noble souls reside after death, which can be seen as a different dimension parallel to our earthly existence. This concept is further exemplified in the story of King Harishchandra, who experiences a realm of existence entirely different from his earthly life, a realm where time and space hold different meanings. Next, let's shift our gaze to the Ramayana. Here, the concept of parallel universes comes to light in the form of different lokas or realms. One such instance is the mention of Patalaloka, the realm of the serpent king Vasuki, which is described as a universe in itself, parallel to the earthly realm. Another instance is the Lanka of Ravana, a grand city-state in a dimension distinct from our own. Now let's delve deeper into the understanding of lokas. In Hindu mythology, lokas are not just places in a physical sense, but different dimensions of existence. The concept of lokas is fascinating as it proposes the existence of multiple parallel universes, each with its own set of laws and principles, yet interconnected in the grand cosmic scheme. Some lokas are heavenly, some hellish, and some earthly, yet each one is a universe in itself, coexisting with ours. These instances from the great epics are not mere figments of fantasy, but profound philosophical insights cloaked in narrative form. They subtly hint at the possibility of multiple dimensions, a concept that modern science is only just beginning to explore. The epics thus added a new dimension to the understanding of parallel universes. The philosophy of Hinduism offers a deeper insight into the parallel universe concept. Let's delve into the philosophical implications of parallel universes in Hinduism. The concept of parallel universes is intimately tied to the Hindu concept of Maya, often translated as illusion. Maya is a fundamental idea in Hindu philosophy, and it offers a unique lens through which we can view the idea of parallel universes. At its core, Maya speaks to the illusory nature of our perceived reality. It suggests that what we see, touch, and experience is not the true reality, but rather a veil or illusion that hides the ultimate truth. This concept is deeply embedded in the Upanishads, ancient Hindu texts that delve into the nature of reality. Now, if we apply this concept of Maya to the idea of parallel universes, we find a fascinating intersection. If our universe is indeed an illusion, could there not be other illusions or other universes existing simultaneously? This is where the concept of parallel universes comes into play in Hindu philosophy. These parallel universes are not separate from our own, but rather different manifestations of the same ultimate reality. This philosophical perspective also ties into the Hindu concept of the self. In Hinduism, the individual self or Atman is considered to be one with the universal self or Brahman. If we extend this idea to parallel universes, it suggests that every version of ourselves in these parallel universes is a manifestation of the same ultimate self. By exploring the concept of parallel universes, we are not just delving into the realms of science fiction or quantum physics. We are also venturing into the heart of one of the world's oldest philosophies. The idea of parallel universes in Hinduism is not just about multiple realities. It's about understanding the nature of reality itself, the illusion that is Maya, and our place within the cosmos. Hindu philosophy thus offers a thought-provoking perspective on parallel universes. The modern interpretation of these ancient concepts further broadens our understanding. As we delve into the modern interpretation of parallel universes in Hindu mythology, we see a fascinating convergence of ancient wisdom and contemporary scientific thought. Modern scholars and researchers of Hindu mythology have been intrigued by the concept of parallel universes. They have been delving into the ancient texts, attempting to decode the metaphors and allegories that hint at this cosmic concept. What they've discovered has been nothing short of astounding. The descriptions of these parallel universes, known as lokas, are not mere fantastical imaginations, but they bear striking similarities to the theories proposed by modern science. The ancient texts speak of multiple lokas existing simultaneously, each with its unique characteristics, inhabitants, and even flow of time. This mirrors the modern theory of multiverses, a concept that suggests the existence of an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. Each of these universes possesses different physical laws, compositions, and dimensions, much like the lokas described in Hindu mythology. Interestingly, the concept of time dilation, a central tenet of Einstein's theory of relativity, also finds echoes in the ancient scriptures. They suggest that time flows differently in different lokas, a notion that aligns with Einstein's postulates. Moreover, the scriptures talk about the possibility of traveling between these lokas, hinting at the concept of wormholes and interdimensional travel. This is an area of intense research in modern theoretical physics, and the ancient texts provide thought-provoking insights into these cutting-edge theories. The parallels between Hindu mythology and modern scientific theories are not mere coincidences. They hint at an ancient understanding of the cosmos that was incredibly ahead of its time. They suggest that the sages and scholars of ancient India had an intuitive grasp of the universe's complexities, which they expressed through the rich tapestry of mythology. Thus, the concept of parallel universes in Hindu mythology continues to intrigue and inspire us. It serves as a reminder of the timeless wisdom of our ancestors and offers intriguing possibilities for modern scientific exploration. Our journey into the locus of Hindu mythology is far from over. It's a voyage of discovery that continues to unfold, taking us deeper into the mysteries of the universe. So let's recap what we've learned about parallel universes in Hindu mythology. We started our journey with the intriguing question of parallel universes, diving into the deep ocean of Hindu mythology. We learned that the concept isn't a New Age idea, but has its roots in ancient Hindu scriptures. The earliest mentions of parallel universes can be traced back to the Puranas and Vedas, where the world is described as a multi-layered reality, each layer representing a different realm or universe. We then connected these ancient ideas with the epic tales of Ramayana and Mahabharata, where the protagonists often traveled between these realms, giving us a glimpse into the complex cosmology of the ancients. The interesting part is these epic tales represent these different realms not as mere physical places, but as different states of consciousness. From a philosophical perspective, we discovered that Hinduism views the concept of parallel universes as an integral part of its metaphysical framework. It suggests that there are an infinite number of universes, each unique and independent, yet interconnected in a cosmic dance of creation and dissolution. In our modern interpretation, we found that these ancient concepts resonate with the latest theories of quantum physics, like the multiverse theory. It's fascinating to think that these ancient texts might have been hinting at scientific concepts thousands of years before their formal discovery. As we can see, Hindu mythology offers a rich and insightful perspective on the concept of parallel universes, a concept that continues to fascinate us even today. The beauty of mythology lies in its ability to transcend time, space, and cultures, offering us profound insights into the mysteries of existence. So, as we continue our exploration, let's remember to keep an open mind and a curious heart. This is the essence of learning.